Let's talk about the 9 parts of speech. Parts of speech describe how a word is used in a sentence, and there are 9 different parts of speech. In this video, I will show you each part of speech and give you explanations and examples. The first one is a noun. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, the girl left her backpack in the library. Here we have 3 nouns. Girl, a person, backpack, a thing, and library, a place. Nouns can also be abstractions, ideas. For example, children have great imaginations. Imagination is a noun. Children is also a noun. Or kindness and compassion are great qualities. Kindness, compassion, qualities, these are nouns. The second part of speech is pronoun. A pronoun is a word that can represent a noun. Pronouns you might know are I, you, he, she, it, we, them. These are words that can replace the noun in the sentence. Other pronouns are me, her, him, us, and them. The third part of speech is verb. The verb is an action. Every sentence in English will have a verb. For example, the car stopped at the red light. Stopped is the verb. Sarah swam in the lake. Swam is the verb. I have a blue car. Have is the verb. The fourth part of speech is adjective. An adjective describes a noun. For example, the blue car is in the small garage. Blue and small are adjectives. They describe the nouns. Blue describes car, small describes garage. Some adjectives end with ed or ing. For example, the movie was boring. Boring is an adjective. Or, I was bored at the movie. Bored is the adjective. It describes how I was feeling. The next part of speech is adverb. An adverb describes a verb. It can also describe an adjective or another adverb. For example, she ran quickly. Quickly is the adverb. It describes how she ran. Or, she is extremely rich. Extremely describes the adjective rich. It says that she's very, very rich. Or, Robert walked down the street very slowly. Slowly is an adverb, and so is very. Number 6 is conjunction. A conjunction is a connector. It connects 2 or more things. For example, love and money. Yes or no. I want a new car, but I don't have any money. I don't have any money because I spent it all. Here are some conjunctions you might know. And, but, or, so. You might also know yet and for. Here are some other conjunctions you use a lot. Because, although. Number 7, prepositions. For example, the book is on the floor. We are going to the movie. Some very common prepositions are prepositions of location. For example, under the table, next to the wall, in my bag. And prepositions of time, at 5 o'clock, on January 1st. Also prepositions of movement, going to the store. Number 8, articles. Articles are a, an, and the. And these words come in front of a noun. For example, the girl is sitting under a tree. The and a are articles. The last part of speech is the least important, but I want you to have a complete list. The last part of speech is an interjection. That's a word that interrupts a sentence. Something like hi, or wow, or yikes. So I said at the beginning that a part of speech is how a word is used in a sentence. And it's important to remember that the same word can be a different part of speech in a different situation. For example, the word email. This can be a noun and a verb, depending on how you use it. For example, I received a lot of emails. Here, email is a noun, a thing. You can also say, I emailed my teacher with a question. Here, I'm using email like an action. It's a verb. Also, it's really important to know that you can sometimes have one word and change the form of the word in order to make it a different part of speech. For example, the word happy is an adjective. Happiness is a noun. Or excite is a verb. Excited, exciting are adjectives. Excitement is a noun. So there you have it, the 9 parts of speech. Thanks for watching.